Technology odor. Technology the smell is in Korea North. This is amazing technology merge between smells and techniques digital like intelligence artificial and Internet the Things. Industry digital for perfumes. Explore combinations perfumes idealism using techniques intelligence artificial. Example well on that's in Korea. From expected growth market perfumes quickly with what it goes along with developments Korean technology. Where he innovates students university students perfume especially had become subject exciting interesting. Perfume it contains on memories Sunday dissenters Koreans northerners that gold for a walk in Mount Baekdu in Korea North with his friends when he was asking. He said from try it that perfume that it smell amazing where emit scent the wood wet and herbs the dew refreshing and harmony nice. And it has feel some as if they walk on Mount Baekdu. Perfumes she has meanings especially from side emotional where maybe that make us we recover memories the past. Permission due from common that uses Koreans northerners perfumes? In reality, not for perfumes meanings positive in literature Korean North. Drive E.G. Sun, professor in Institute Korean for Unification the National, mostly what described perfumes as described negative in literature Korean Northern, but rather are used the phrase smell. Perfume, to photograph person greed and corrupt in the society Western. The perfume the foreigner the strong one, and the strange thing for him picture negative extremely. Imagine a novel, dealing with civilization woman put perfume French famous globally on all around her body all day. And it is done photographed on that it woman Korean South imitate culture the States United imitation blind. Describe the person that emit from him scent perfume strong that he is spy. But in condition not normal, you talk story short Korean North its title is I Love You, issued in 2018 on a personality man uses perfumes. Start the story with a heroine Yu Young which expired from development solution local to curl the hair, which ready to start production experimental.